Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to use OneDrive in Windows to backup and access your files from anywhere. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. OneDrive is already built into your Windows, so it's super easy to use. First, click the Start menu and type OneDrive to open the OneDrive app. Here you can see that I didn't sign in. So, if it's your first time using OneDrive, you will need to sign in with your Microsoft account. You have to click on here. And then you have to enter the PIN of your desktop. After then, you have to use your Microsoft account. Provide your email address and password to sign in. Here you can see that they have sent a code to my email address to verify me and to log in. You can use your password instead of using this code. And now you can see some icons here. You have to click on this icon. Now you have to click on Get Started. Click on Next button. Click on Allow button. Give the permission. It will take some time to load. Pass the verification if they ask for it. Click on Verify button. And that's it. Here you can see that our OneDrive is already installed, and here we can use this for our backup purpose. So you can backup your pictures, documents and other things by keeping in these folders. If you want to see the location of these folders, you can check it by properties. And if you want to keep backup of your files, you have to click on this OneDrive Personal and then you have to paste them here. Suppose I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here. And that's it. You can see that it already took a backup. In this way, if you want to upload files to OneDrive, just drag and drop them into the OneDrive folder in File Explorer and they will sync automatically. To manage your sync settings, right-click the OneDrive icon in your system tray. And then select Settings. From here, you can manage what gets synced and adjust other preferences. And that's how you use OneDrive to store and access your files in Windows. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. See you next time.